It is mid-late August. No, late August. 2025 on Weymouth Beach. The sun is blazing. It's gonna be probably our last beach trip of the year. Who knows? It's getting a little bit colder out there. So yeah, what we're gonna try today. A little bit of a review of these things I found on Amazon for pennies. We've got the underwater phone pouch. I've only recently switched to phones for recording. Not permanently, probably not, but you know. I thought I'd try this out. So I'm going to try my new iPhone 15. I'm going to take my old iPhone SE2 out in this and get some underwater footage, see what we can find out there. Because that sea looks very calm today, very nice. It's about 22 degrees or something. So it should be cool. So yeah, we're going to review these little pouches. And will be the first time I've taken an iPhone into the sea. Except last time it was in my pocket. And we don't talk about that. So yeah, this should be fun. This is Greenhill. This is part of Weymouth, my preferred thing. I got some compadres with me today. I got Naomi and Naomi too. I think only Naomi 1's coming in. And yeah, we're gonna get some underwater stuff, see what lurks beneath the waves on Weymouth Beach. Switching to the iPhone SE2. In this, expect sound distortion. Switching now. Here we go. It's a little bit chilly. There's our camp up there. This is nice. Nice clear sea today. Oh, it's a bit nippy. It's a bit nippy. There we go. It's fine. It's all right once you're in.
I don't like it.
Just big waves. Nay.
Yeah.
I appreciate the fact you're cold, but I'm going to help you.
Fuck you.
Break you in quickly. Come back! Come back! Come back! Come back!
Break you in.
Oh fuck. Yeah, it's a bit it's getting warmer. We're okay, we're getting warmer. So we're on the second bank now, so it's gone nice and nice and shallow again. Look, I'm down to my knees again. Nene is way back there. Any sort of trust left in this relationship has been destroyed today. So as we go along, we've got the pier bandstand over there. We've got the Weymouth Will over here. And over here, one of my favourite places in the world, we've got No Fort. Excellent place. It's gone super shallow now. Super shallow. I'm going to dunk this thing in the water in a minute and see if it's worth the pennies. I mean, trusting tech with a bit of polythene and a clip isn't great. And it was ridiculously cheap, so I'm dubious. But we'll see. We'll see. Do a little spin scroll. Nay is way back towards the shoreline now. She does not trust me at all. So I'm kneeling now, and we're going to dunk this sucker in the water. God, it took me off guard. So far so good. I think the phone's still running. One thing I will say is that the buttons don't seem to appear to work underwater. To pressure, I suppose. I don't know if that's a given or what, but so if you hold it underwater and take a picture, it ain't gonna work. But if you press it before it goes under with video, you're all good. So yeah, so far recommended. Oh, there's a big wave coming, guys. I can't swim. It's a big wave. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh. Ooh, got some choppy waves. Some choppy waves. It's getting quite choppy out here. Nice. I think the tide's coming in. Okay, I think we're going to wrap this up. I think I've proven my point. A super cheap bit of plastic from Amazon does pretty well. Would I try my brand new iPhone in it? Probably not. But you get the gist. One more quick dive. I think it's time to head to that hut now and get another cider. Technically you're not allowed to take it on the beach, but where we are the windbreak. Where are we? Here. The hut is here. Technically that's in the same place. I think they'll let us drink there, that'll be fine. So that concludes, oh, I've caught the sun. I'm quite pink, aren't I?
Yes, you are.
I caught the sun a bit. So that concludes the review. The camera's, the phone is in good nick. We're all good. They didn't last long, and you didn't go in at all, did you? No. So yeah, it was all good. This is Weymouth Beach, possibly final visit, and we managed to finally do some swimming. So yeah, worth well, we'll see what footage we got. Who knows what lurked under there? It's probably nothing, just all the mud I kicked up and a bit of seaweed. But yeah. Say hello to YouTube, everyone.
Hi YouTube.
Yeah. So I had all 1,700 subs. Signing off.